forgot to record an intro today. So this is my intro, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's try this again. Oh yeah, that windblown hair. So I'm gonna now set this up and try to record. And what I'm gonna do, my hair is literally crazy today. It's been 90 degrees out. That's a lie. That's really a lie, guys. It was 85 out today. But I was outside all day with the kids I nanny, and my hair is literally just like poofed out from sweating and playing in the water. But anyways, what I was gonna say is I am going to try to make this video more in focus for you guys and learn what I am doing. So how am I going to do that, you wonder? I am going to do that by auto-focusing it before I start recording and then turn it to manual focus so that when it starts recording, it's already focused, hopefully. What I'm going to do today is, first of all, I'm going to show you my new skincare routine. It's not really that much of a routine, it's literally a few things. And I also want to give you guys a room tour. This will be interesting because I'm literally in the middle of renovating my room at the moment. I want to show you guys the paint disaster that I've had. Also, just to let you know, staring into this lens is literally the most awkward thing I've ever done in my life. Just staring into a lens. Like, it would be easier if I had a viewfinder and I was staring at myself because it's just less awkward and less weird. But anyways, I've been painting my room for the past like 3 weeks. It was Barney purple. So literally just, I'm going to insert a picture of Barney above. All of the walls were purple, like Barney, the color of Barney. And then all of the trim, you know that green color that's on his stomach? Yeah, all of the trim was that color. So I had to prime my whole entire room twice. And not just like thin little layers of just primer. Like, it was literally the thickest coat of primer. So then I painted 3 of the walls this brown color. I did 1 coat and it looks really good. Like, the coverage on it, it just looks really good. I taped all of the trim. I guess you're supposed to let the paint like really dry before you peel the tape off, but I didn't. I literally am so impatient, and like probably 4 hours after I was done painting, like, I started to peel the tape off. Let me tell you, don't do that. You'll be so frustrated, especially after you've been painting for weeks. And honestly, total, by myself, I painted like 12 hours. Not all on the same day, obviously. Maybe more, actually. Probably like 14 hours. Like, that's a pretty valid estimate, too. And my mom helped me for like an hour with doing the trim. And then my friend Nicole, shout out to her, because I didn't even want to paint it the color. Like, I'm so over it. But she came over for 2 hours on Saturday. Yeah, no. Today's Monday. I think it was last Friday. She came over on Friday. And for 2 hours, we banged out the color. I taped before for the most part. I taped like half of the room before she came over. And then when she came over, we painted all the walls brown. Not really brown. Brown's ugly. But it's like a cappuccino color. So yeah, I'm going to show you my frustration of why you do not tear the tape off before it dries for hours and hours and maybe even days. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that next. So I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. Like, you see that white spot on the brown, like right there, that completely peeled off after I pulled the tape off. I'm gonna show some more. Also, like here, I taped it, but I didn't tape it good enough. The paint seeped under. Well, over here on this side of my room, I haven't even peeled the tape off because I'm terrified that if I peel the tape off, it is going to rip the paint off, and I'm really not about that right now. I ripped it off up here, and I was really pissed off, and I did that yesterday. So I decided, you know, we're gonna wait a couple more days. But anyways, this is my turtle, Francesca. Yep. And Mr. Sucky under there, you can't really see him. He's a sucker fish. But Francesca is literally the cutest. I love her. This is my room. It's not complete yet. That TV I want to put up on my wall above my dresser so I can declutter my desk and put some of the stuff on my dresser and have the TV up on the wall. But honestly, like, it's coming together. Also, should probably get rid of that purple comforter and get something that actually matches my room theme. I absolutely love this mirror I got. I got it from Marshall's, of course, and it really matches the theme I have going on. Like, as you can see when we get up closer, gotta, you know, manually focus. It has, like, you can't really tell, it has like brownish flecks in it, which really matches the walls. So yeah, there's my room tour. Outfit, FYI, this top is from Garage. These pants are from PacSun. They're honestly very freaking tight right now, like super tight. I literally can't even do a full squat in them because they're so tight. They're kind of my motivation to get back in shape. I know, like, my face is kind of a disaster right now. Also, I just took my glasses off because I can't do my skincare with my glasses on. My hair up. And I'm gonna have the mirror really close to my face because, as I said, I'm blind. What I'm gonna do to start is get my Witch Hazel. Got it from Target. The brand is UP&UP. It's compared to T.N. Dickinson's Witch Hazel. This Witch Hazel is 86% Witch Hazel. This was the NARS lipstick I used. That's literally the same color as my lips. It is Rose Cliff lipstick, and I love this noise. So I'm basically just recapping what I just did. Yeah. So then I did the Witch Hazel with a cotton pad. I literally just like poured it on the cotton pad and went around my problematic areas, mostly my T-zone. And then I went through and I moisturized my face with this Clinique Moisture that's a tongue twister. Moisture Surge. It is a 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. It's allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, which is really good because my skin is very sensitive. And you can use it under or over your makeup or as a 5-minute mask. So I put this on and then I went into putting on my chapstick. This is the best stuff. It's the Smith's Rosebud Salve Balm. Got it at Ulta. Some lady at Ulta recommended this and I've been using it ever since for about like 2 years now. And my lips don't even really get chapped in the winter when they used to get chapped year-round. What else did I do? Oh, Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. Becca Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill collaborated to make that highlighter. Literally haven't even tried it on my face yet because I haven't really worn a full face of makeup yet since I got it. And then also same with this, the All Nighter by Urban Decay. Apparently you need 2 tops for this. Haven't tried this yet because I have not done a full face of makeup yet. And I also got this color in the NARS lipstick. It came in a little duo pack. And this color is Dolce Vita, but I'm not wearing it right now. So I'll wear it a different time and show it to you guys again. So then what I did was I went in with the Badescu drying lotion with a cotton swab, and what you do is you dip the cotton swab all the way down to the bottom, so you get the sediment that's at the bottom, which is this pink stuff that's all over my face. I went in and then I just dotted it all over the spots where I have acne right now. Obviously a lot. I'm really starting to get into a rigorous, I don't know if rigorous is the word, but a good skincare routine where I'm doing it every night and every morning. I only put the drying lotion on at night before I go to bed, but I cleanse my face, do the witch hazel, and moisturize it every morning and every night before I put the spot treatment on. I think that's it. So I hope this clip is in focus because, yeah, just because. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was pleasant for you guys. Something a little different but kind of the same. I'm hoping to upload another video soon of when I order my swimsuit and my evening gown for the pageant. And I'm also going to get my headshots done soon for the pageant. So hopefully I can do some behind the scenes with that. Maybe I can show you guys some little teasers. Okay, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic, lovely day.